This is a dedication, girl. This is a dedication for Beyonce. Beyonce! Okay, ready? To the left, everything I own in the box to the left, in the closet. That's my stuff. Yes, if I bought it, please don't touch. Keep talking that mess, that's fine. Could you walk and talk at the same time? And it's too late to standing in the front yard saying how I'm such a fool. Yeah, they'll never find a man like you. Got me twisted. You must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can have another you in a minute. Matter of fact, he'll be here in a minute, baby. You must not know about me. You must not know about me. 'Cause girl, I am so ghetto.